In this video, I will show you how to master Flowith AI to supercharge your creative workflow. This powerful tool uses a unique canvas-based interface that allows you to visualize your thoughts and generate incredible content in real time. To get started, navigate to the main dashboard where you can launch a new project. Unlike traditional chat interfaces, Flowith uses a nodal system. You simply type your initial prompt into the center node and watch as the AI generates multiple paths of thought simultaneously. If you see an idea you like, you can click the plus icon to expand that specific branch. This allows you to dive deeper into specific details without losing the big picture of your project. As you work, remember to use the sync feature to keep your nodes organized. This tool is perfect for brainstorming articles or designing complex systems because it keeps everything visible at once. By following these steps, you will quickly turn abstract ideas into polished results.